Oh, go on, my people. Bless up in a day, in a night, in a morning, anyone a day in a world, you see it. The man bless up to all of the Jamaican them in Jamaica, and bless up to all of the Jamaica them in the diaspora. And for the rest of the world we are tuned into the channel, just welcome, man, is me. Yeah. And just show the love and spread the word, you see it, because right now we have to deal with what going on in Jamaica. Yeah, my people, man, you see me? Welcome back, you see me? Right now, I say me I go deal with the part few of the video with the police, them in the bush. I say them dep on duty or them off duty, or I don't know what them a deal with. More than a criminal police them, the man. You see me? Criminal police them, the boy them in a bush a eat. Not more than they are wait for some gun trafficking or some drugs running or something. You see me? But I go drop the video, you know. I go elaborate more upon some things, you see me?
Me and my way, so I go to the river, you understand, go wash off my vehicle. Anyways, there's only one way in and one way out to that river. Right? Approaching the river, there was a police vehicle in the way, you understand? So, I there, I see it, and I say, alright, I there, took the hand, boop, give them a look up, you know, because I see them eat them of them food and so forth, right? Anyways, I realize, I better push out here and look and drive him back. They there wait me no movement, they there wait same here, I took the hand again. Same procedure, look, and just like myself, I didn't can't wait. That's how the response, look. Then they wait same way, carry chuckle. When there's no movement, I took the hand again. No movement, so you know what I do? I say something I look right, I say, so I start the video. Because that's for my safety, because me alone in the car, you know, and I cheer them and I say, boy, the country in a way, and right now I not take no check. Because they move away suspicious, because normally, normal police officer will just move away. You understand? That's sufficient time. But them decide, say, now, so I say, this one look safe on my side. Anyways, I start the video. So I have video now, one van reverse, and I think I say, you can them cuss me. But the boy go suck your mother, so I say people here. You understand? Because I do like a live, just in case, so them can just say, there are people with me. But it wasn't a live, it was just actually a recording. Right? Anyways, I say, people, you know, deal me, where. I look away, me, I beg, and you know, deal me. This man come out of the vehicle, you know, people. Walk down, take the phone out of my face. That's how he said to me, the phone in their face, so he walk down to me, you know, back my phone. Yes, when he back my phone, they realize that the phone drop a bush. That's when hell break loose, people. The man them take out gun and start crank up and go cuss me. Take out gun for lick me in my face. You understand? I mean, I did not want to look away. Me ask the man them find a brother. We, you know, you saw the man them a treat innocent people. And we me ask if I could go wash my car. You understand? And here I go deal, Mr. Brother. You understand? The man them start dealing in the worst way. If you listen to every day, I know me not give man enough tough talk. Me not, I say to man, I look away, me a big for some ever deal me. One night, me know one good. So me I say, brother, so you gonna make the man them deal with me? Man say, go suck your mother. Me don't know you from now. Me not ray. The man started to tell me, say, oh, him will do a bag of things, put things for me, and gonna take a bag of liar and charge me. The man talks straight, say, he may mash up my face, and me can do a go down a Indecom, I go down at the station go report it. Now tell me, them I think we are in the country, them people having a force, and I say, I police them. The man tell me chase me for avoid police. When the man them tell say if you try work with police, he might tell me straight, because he want a police, he might behave like a gunman don't have a force. You know? I say me for avoid police. Now me say police, me for avoid police. I mean I say what is a river me I go, you know. And all me ask the man them first, give me a look way through. And the man them start on my case. Be it if you want to listen to video good enough. I want to tag Andrew Wallace, mention him. I want to mention the security minister. You understand? I want to mention Indecom as well. Tag them need to see this and then corruption are going in our force. You understand? One at a time, you know, people out there say, yo, people now make people police them do their work and people that get, you know, involved in the police man do their work. But look upon them police, what kind of rate the money they have food, the man they might eat and me I beg the man and say, let me chew, you know. And the man then get dark for me for no reason that me can't understand. Everybody know me. face expression, you know what me do? Everybody's supposed to know me. Supposed to know me as face expression or whatever. I film me do people, make Jamaican movie, Jamaican short films. And you can go up on YouTube, go check it out. You understand? And then there's something that I make. The car can't hide, the logo there on my car, I not do no wrongs, nothing what I but the man just believe, say, they never did me a type of way for no reason whatsoever. You understand? The man talk is straight, say me bust up my face and me do everything, you put gun for me and go do hard. If me do anything, tell lie upon me and charge me. So I saw a system set right now. Innocent people, you know, people better watch my life, I see serious time we are living there, you know. And me tell you the man then chat me say, any of them see that video, them are gonna kill me. So they know that gun. Then tell me straight, they say me can't hide. And talk up my license plate. So me can't hide it. You don't even need a license plate to find it. The man talk is straight, say, I'm going to put it down, he might go kill me. You understand? 3.1. Tell me now. And if you listen to the video good, because them box of the phone so you couldn't see what happened. You understand? Me not violate the man, them in no time. The security minister come out and give them, say, yo, them to use no full force. The man might go around and text it for everybody. Me I beg you, say, if you don't read face expression, don't share that video. Make it go viral, share it. Them something I need to stop. Me I beg you, do share that video. Me I beg you, hear me I tell you, me I beg you, do you share that video then. Me I beg you to share that video. You understand? If you believe in a freedom and right, you understand? Share that video. Do me I beg you, make it go viral. If you love face expression, share that.
I know we not hear no probe going with the youth, you know. And them trick the youth, you know. If you don't see any probe, if you see Indecom doing a probe, if you see nothing in the clean or what, I don't see it. You don't tell me, don't in the comment section there. Because I don't see nothing. You see me, I don't see no investigation. I'm going right now, them police have to get locked down, you know. Them police have to get locked down. Them police enough for them on our streets, you see them at what? Yo, a criminal them, they're not different from the criminal them when I get with the gun them. But the youth them when I get with the gun them, or the politician them give them. The youth them when I get over them, I get money for buy a gun. They can't buy a sippers, you know, see most of them can't buy sippers and can't buy fine food. That's why they ain't go rob, man. So all them I get money for buy a gun. People read between the lines, man. Is it long time we see that, you know, yo. We know Jamaica people are the food, but guess what? Here with Jamaica people, food, Jamaica people take on to. Jamaica people take on to the hype, then take on to the no and what I say and what I go on. You see what I say? Enough Jamaican now listen to Bob Marley, you know. Yo, enough Jamaica people now listen to Bob Marley nowadays again, you know. Enough. Yo, most of the time when you see all this Black History Month come up and you see them talk about Marcus Garvey and man, spitting on Marcus' face, man. You know, so man, for go on one and go, man. You see me, can't make politicians lead in that street. You see it? Yeah, man. You know, spitting on our ancestors and face, yo, only people who follow Labour Right Party and follow politics and follow the country and not be a Jamaican and not be a dieted Jamaican and not be a dieted JLP and dieted PMP. We see what the PMP then do, you know, as in the minority of the people them in the community. Me not talk about the politician them now when me see what the PMP them do, because guess what, the PMP them vote for Andrew Holness. Because they want a change. I go see if them are going to vote for Mr. Patterson now. I see if them are going to run back to the PMP. Which anyway, I'm not telling who to vote for him, but I tell the people, them say, yo, you are people, you only give Mr. Patterson a chance. Give the UIC, I can't say that bold and bluntly. Give the UIC a chance, yo. First new party, the other two parties they in 79 years. One 80 years and one 79. Give the UIC a chance, man. around 11 years now UIC farm. 11 years. Or 12. This is what I say. Give the UIC a chance. As what me say in the recent videos that I have. Me give Mark Golding a respect. And me look humble, calm and collective. But you have people in the PMP same way will help mash up the country. And Blows and Square, PJ Patsu and Porsche Simsimela government. PMP them in the power to them not do not say me. So that's why you hear Vice Carter say, emergency, we are suffering around here. Two party are the same sad song they must sing. You hear that? And if you listen, if you stop listening to the DJ, if you don't know, listen to the DJ, message them. Because the DJ send out message and I sang them. Enough song me the DJ do. I'm messaging them, but you don't know, listen to the message. We stand strong. Yeah, we stand strong. Stand up like a man. Enough I want to listen to DJ. DJ have to do song where have to eat, yes. And yo, me understand music. DJ have to put out songs for run the place, cause you don't know a competition out there. But when the dog do the message song, them have to take the message them and just put it on the brain. You hear that? Yeah, man, you have to listen to the message. And don't just listen to the bad man song them and the wind up song them. And have to listen to the message if you love the DJ and rate the DJ them. Cause I not say I want one DJ alone, you know. Remember say, yo, the Rastas them been about politics and been about blouse and skirt that eat certain things. You hear that? Remember that? Rasta them always do that in them song. Cape and Sizzle and all of them. Bounty Killer come say book. Now me see it in the trend, the new artists them a lady you them a share it. We do a video with the politician umbrella I call Valiant, you know. You see it? But politician if you go away man go because him responsible for information. You see it? So if him wants the artist song to play on radio, him can get that band. I'm not saying if you ban the artist song, but some of the time the artists them put out some local song, because I agree with the dance thing, you know. You see it? No, sir. You can't tell the people that you can't sing their song about dance, brother. That now go nowhere, brother. You see it? Now go nowhere, brother. You hear that Valiant? That dance thing then I'm gonna Raging King forward with the dance thing, dance thugs thing, you know. You see Raging King there right now. Me not glad, me not happy for that where I'm to Raging King. Cause me listen to Raging King. You hear that? It's an artist when me listen and say that youth yeah, bringing a different style. But they'll come in with a little slang, brother, with a dance thugs thing, brother. Yo, that dance thugs thing there, yo. I never was a bright kid in school, just like many of you, but me still not accept about a dance thug there, you know, sir. Dance, but brother, you know them thing the song when they at school and pick me a car, they dance, but brother. You have to level up your game in a school if it, and yo, not a fool. Yo, let me tell you this, when man is at school, man want to artist a girl, you know. Yeah, bright girl want. I want to feel like, because we didn't do Jamaica school system, you know, when man go to school, you know. You see, if Bride Pitney in your class and put the Bride Pitney over this and put the aim, we never sit dance. You see it, because I want to exit, then put the slow learner Pitney them on one side and the Bride kids them over on one side. We shouldn't wait them to mix them, you see it. for the bright and the slow learner can communicate together and can talk, and for the bright one they can show, is it? Yes, I saw them segregate things in Jamaica. So look at background master style, so look at that constitution where they have in Jamaica. Teacher like how pick out of school, then think they for stop in Jamaica still now, yo. I wonder where all the parents them do. But what them think they? The government, man, is it? The government. Is it? Andrew One is coming and him not change nothing. Is it? Him not set no trend. But legacy, what kind of legacy? Yo, Andrew One is your legacy as Zozo and dead baby where whisper to you when you're asleep. What a man so wicked boy dead baby. I see you indulging in iniquity in Andrew. Me never hear nobody say anything in a parliament, brother. You indulging in iniquity, brother. You, brother Andrew Honest. Is it? Yeah, you indulging in iniquity, brother. So if you go on where I go as a blouse and skirt prime minister and give up a seat and go on where I go, are you indulging in a Dunn Stuggs thing? Because I see Chronicler do a song and say, yo, I'm a Chronicler, yeah. Chronicler do a song say government badness and Jones say you play it in your rally. And daddy one do a slang and say, burger, then you take it. You're a burger, that daddy one of the real burger, the thief the youth name, blouse and skirt. And make the song and take it be your one of the youth of the real burger. Big up yourself, daddy one, because the artist them rate you, but you know if you stop sing certain song, brother. Because watch at one time when you put out them thing there out in the area of the younger generation to fall, you know what years to come when them are gonna hear them song the same way. Why we still hear Bob Marley? Why we still hear Peter Tosh? Why we still hear Tenor Saw song them? You know how long them man them do them song, but we still hear them and we still play them. And them thing the brother, 40 years to come, 20, 50 years to come, brother, the people that they own the song them still go out them my youth. You see me? So you can't leave the blouse and skirt use some stray bad man I sing some song boy, Dunn Stuggs. You see me about the badness thing, brother. You see what I say? Bless upon yourself and the people, because we're there upon the reason, you see me? I just reason we fall for reason about the topic, you see me? Yeah, man, it's all of the new subscribers and the new viewers, them just welcome, man, and bless upon yourself, you see me, and give thanks for tuning into the program, you see what I say? Bless up.